So, willkommen in den Elementarien vom Rat F4. Weiter geht es mit der mittlerweile englisch. Feierte Folge Life is Strange. Ich begrüße euch zusammen mit dem schönen Igellingsöfen am Mac. Wir sind mittlerweile im Wien, das ist ein Dormitory, weil ein Kollege von uns einen Flashdrive zurückgebracht. Wir können Zeit zurückspulen. Wir haben eine Petition geschrieben gegen die Überwachungskamera am Campus und überall an. Wir haben mit dem Typ mit seiner Hipster-Frisur geschwärzt. Den hat sein Portfolio gucken gehört, den Rachel kannte, und Rachel ist das Mädchen, wo verschwunden ist. Tada, weiter geht es. Okay. Plate.
The Prescott dormitory? Good lord, Nathan's family owns my dorm?
Mhm. Nicht nehmen dein. Football, Spacko. Schwätzen, das ist voll gespasst. Totem von Geil. Oh.
Warren told me that totem is named Tobanga for a reason nobody knows.
Ich kann nicht bis dahin.
Awesome.
Hey, du scheiß Müll an den Kopf. Hey,
Football, Max. Big football. Step away.
Oh, so cool. Oh, das ist so cool. Du hast geil gemacht.
Good old Samuel. Some people are creeped out by him. And he's not creepy, just X-Files weird.
Ab der X geht ja nur rumbelebt. Eine neue Staffel oder so, nicht gelesen.
Howdy, Samuel.
Well, hello there.
Aber hier nicht so wissen, ob es creepy ist.
What's up with these Rachel Amber posters?
Only she would know that, right?
I guess. It just makes the campus look sad.
You can't color over that sunlight.
Okay, you knew Rachel.
You knew Rachel?
How can you know a prison? You just stare in awe. Now I have to go paint windows.
Just to AIDS.
What do you think happened to her?
Best not to dwell on the past. Samuel looks forward, like a clock.
Schwarz für eine Sau, eine dritte Person. Das ist der gut.
What was she like? She must have been popular.
Even sunlight can cast shadows. Rachel did both at once, you know.
Okay.
She was like a battery.
Positive.
Positive and negative.
Boah, das ist komisch. Bei ihm hat man nur mich war für besetzt zu werden. Bei ihm kommt man vor einer Götterstelle. Wenn ich wieder runter in der letzten Folge stehe, sehen von den zusammen abgehalten, komme ich so denken, vorstellen, ich hätte gerne mehr gestartet. Aber see you later.
See you later, Samuel.
And watch your step around here, Max. After I sweep, I paint.
Guck mal. Objective. I need to go to my room to get Warren's flash drive. I saw a missing persons poster. Hey, there's a fish dabei. If there was a way for me to run back 6 months, I totally would. Lunch.
Nice, bro.
Oh, das ist nämlich bestimmt haben.
No.
Aber den Porsche. Den Porsche. Ich will mit den anderen Schwarzen, nicht mit ihm.
Oh shit. There's Victoria and her mean girls.
It's Max Caulfield, the selfie hoe of Blackwell.
Oh, namens danke, ho, du bitch.
What a lame gimmick. Even Mark, Mr. Jefferson, falls for your wave hipster bullshit. The Daguerrean process, sir. You could barely even say that.
I got scared,
I guess you got your
bitch.
meds filled.
You must face one.
Since you know all the answers, I guess you have to find another way into the dorm. We ain't moving. Oh wait, hold that pose. So original. Don't worry, Max. I'll put a vintage filter on it right before I post it all over social medias. Now, why don't you go fuck your selfie?
Ooh.
Oh yes, Victoria. I'll get your bony ass out of my way.
Okay.
Give me, give me.
That's the first and last time I expect to hear that. I don't want to mess with that ladder and hurt poor Samuel. I just want to get Victoria the hell out of the way.
You kidding me? Kann Schallrock bleiben. Sprinkler.
Okay, now where exactly is the sprinkler valve?
Dat is een beetje slag. den noch nicht geguckt.
Okay, now where exactly is the sprinkler valve?
Das stimmt auch beim Samuel.
Sorry, no paparazzi allowed.
Kommst natürlich nicht voll herum. Water pump.
This main sprinkler valve looks easy enough to use.
Dreht sie ab? Geht oder nicht? So geht man mehr.
This main sprinkler valve looks easy enough to use.
Sonst lebt halt nicht, oder wie?
Think, Max. Rewind and find something.
Sprinkler valve. Ah. Ich kann mir gerade nicht daran. Zeige für mich hat.
I could crank the sprinkler up and give Victoria and her clones incentive to beat it.
Nice, bro.
Dann mach es lo.
This main sprinkler valve looks easy enough to use.
Ja, viel geht es nicht. So geht mit mir.
Think, Max. Rewind and find something.
Ah, endlich.
What the hell? Are you kidding? Look at this.
Chill, Victoria. It's just water.
Yeah, water on my cashmere. Do you know how much this fucking outfit costs?
You look
Tja, Kaffee
great.
mit
I
Tee da.
can't even chill on the steps.
Passt. What?
So, do you understand English?
Get lost.
Get lost. Keep walking, hippie.
I can't grab that. Samuel is way too close.
Keep walking, hippie.
Aber kommst du da nicht mehr rein, ne? Okay, zack. Oh, da fahren wir schon gleich ab. Okay, schnell, 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 schnell. Lauf. Pull it.
Okay, let's see if this works.
Ja. Mit am Fong.
No way!
Ja, aber.
No fucking way!
Okay, Victoria?
Oh, Samuel is sorry.
Wie geil.
Wet paint is not good for hair, nope.
Get the
Sorry.
hell away from me, weirdo!
Oh, das
Hold
kriegt
on,
hier bestimmt
hold on.
mega
We'll
auf den
get some
Deckel.
towels. We'll be right back.
So move your ass before I drive.
It worked. Don't mess with Max, bitches. Oh man, she looks so sad and lonely. Hey, Victoria.
What do you want, Max?
Wirklich.
I am sorry. That's an awesome cashmere coat.
It was. But there'll be another.
Well, you always seem to know how to pick the right outfit.
Zur Kollegin aber
I do have some talent. Mr. Jefferson told me.
I've seen your pictures. You have a great eye. Richard Avedon-esque.
He's one of my heroes. Thanks, Max. I hope those sluts get me a towel before they hang a sign on me.
plötzlich einfach eine Stunde
You deserve a better shot. Sorry about blocking you and the go fuck your selfie.
That was mean, but pretty funny.
Just one of those days, you know?
I know exactly what you mean, Victoria.
Collision daar
I'll see you later.
Au revoir.
is gonna durch. Damn it, it's mir beleefd.
Victoria probably played me. I should have played her. Better get to my room before I find Warren.
Ja, dan ga ik met meer, maar dan ga ik met die. Maar bon, irgendwie leeft ze ja weinig, hè? Slate.
Room 217? No way in hell am I ever going in here.
Okay.
I'd love to make a photo collage of every person who
Guns
posted
training.
these.
Victoria is going to be
Dana's
pissed.
still a cheerleader at heart. This girl must have been popular.
Don't bring your girls to school.
Nice atmospheric
powder.
shot. Needs dusting.
Bambi. Bambi. Toilet paper.
Looks like nobody won this TP war. There's nothing left but ghosts. At least that's an alarm from this century.
Post slate.
Okay, this is just mean and stupid.
Will bang for Jesus. Kann er Stelle holen. Da bin ich bestimmt erwischt. Ah, Peace. Hip. Wirklich?
This is like the public DNA of our dorm.
Depression.
Oh, Victoria, give me a fucking break.
Kann ich auch nicht raten. Kann schon ein bisschen raus. Das lass es. Fotoapparat auf der Kusch. Bestimmt fucking dire.
How sad. I didn't write anything. I have nothing to say. But
Save the
what's
earth.
this poster
Wir sind
really?
alle Öko.
Warren should be all over Brooke. They're perfect for each other.
P. Oh Gott. Pizza. Pizza. Exit. Oh, da gehen wir mal gucken, ne? Was ja so, oder nicht? Ein Teddy, ein Gitter mit Blumen drauf.
Home sweet home. My favorite cocoon.
Home sweet home, du hipster.
Ahoy, Captain. At least I know you've got my back.
Oh,
When I swallowed your eye and my parents rushed me to the ER, I knew we were bonded forever.
oh, Captain, my Captain. Max, your principal sent me an email saying you told some tall tales about the Blackwell's honor student. Call me ASAP. Oh, mommy. Give me a break.
So cheesy, but it makes me smile thinking of the day Mom and I sewed that together. The Max Caulfield Photo Memorial Wall.
Klingt mega geil. Photo Memorial Wall.
Cartier-Bresson,
Collection.
Renault, Hamilton,
No.
the greatest. I should hit the thrift store and pick up some dollar vinyl. Is that too hipster?
Ziemlich hipster.
Max and Chloe, best friends forever. Who even says that anymore? I'm going to have to call Chloe eventually and find out what she'll say. The longer I wait, the worse it'll be. Idiot.
Ja, musste mal.
That's the only tourist picture I let them take of me at the Space Needle.
Das erinnert mich furchtbar an The Last of Us. Him und dem Bart. Und so klein brünett als Mädchen. Just put your den on. Wie weiß, vielleicht kennt ihr den Hinweis. Du musst immer auf der 4 Stunden, mit der ich bis immer funktioniert habe. So nicht. Film uns merci für no gucken, ich wünsche euch viel Spaß mit dem nächsten Video. Bis dann, ciao ciao.